Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany, and if you're new here, hello, welcome. Today we are going to be following on from my previous video. I have just popped some temporary tattoos on my hand to see if I would like hand tattoos, and yes, I would. Very much so. So I did mention it in my last one that I remember I had brought these. So these are henna stencils because I can't do henna, and they're very, very pretty and they're very cute, and I thought I would like to try that on this hand, cover this hand in henna to see if I like hand tattoos. Just because I can, okay, just because I can. So that is what I've decided I'm doing today. However, I've realised that I have quite small hands, like skinny little fingers and all that. So all of these are a little bit big. But I think I'm going to go with like this one, and this I'm going to put like down like this finger. So this bottom bit here comes to here, and then I might do the same on this finger, and then try and find a couple of other ones that I want to do on my hand. They're so pretty, like they're so cool, but they're rather big. I don't know. I'm just going to ponder for a second of which one I'm going to do. Which ones. I want to cover my entire hand and up to about here. The things you do on your day off. Well, what I do. I mean, I love that. Look at that. Look at that one. Maybe that in there. But then I won't be able to do the other one, would I? Well, let me work this out. If you are new here to my channel, hi. Don't forget to subscribe. That would be fabulous. That would be great. I have no rhyme, no reason for my videos. I'm just, 2023, I have just decided that's the guinea pig drinking out of its water thing. It likes to just attack it constantly. There's 3 guinea pigs, and when one drinks, the other ones decide that they'd like a drink, and it just continuous cycle until they all decide that they're bored of drinking and they all want to eat at the same time and stuff like that. So yeah, that's that background noise. It is what it is. Yeah, so I do lots of things on my channel, and subscribe, because I'm sure you'll find something that you like that I do. If not, you're very hard to please. I will be right back with the situation once I've sorted out what I'm doing. Okay? Yes. Oh, and like, if you missed the last one, I just got that tattoo done about 3 hours ago. Nobody knew I was getting it done, so I'll see how long it takes them to notice. Okay, I'll be right back. So this is my hand, as you can see. And I'm going to pop on the stencil. So sticky side down just to line up. Ah! See, it's too big for my poor little hand. So I'm gonna start it knuckle. Yeah, that's better. And how do I know it's central? Okay, so lucky I shaved the hairs off my fingers. Otherwise this could be really painful. Okay, so let's peel this bit off. Oh my gosh, this is very difficult to peel off with one hand. Oh look, that bit's stuck up there. That's quite cool. Alright, anyway, So let's smooth this down. Oh gosh. Oh look. I was going to call it my ankle bone. It's not an ankle at all. It's my hand. My hand bone is in the way. Okay. Kind of stretched it over. Look, that's not sticking. You see there? Not sticking. It is sticking, but I think I'll have to like bend my hand in a different direction when I get to that part. Right, so let's, oh gosh. So I literally just make sure it's all stuck down. Shall I do this little bit? And then with my henna, just painting it in. And the good thing about this is I kind of don't have to be like precise. I'm just colouring in the gaps and hope for the best. I hope anyway. As long as it's all stuck down, it's not going to go everywhere, is it? To move my arm a little closer and everything, so I'm just going to do this bit off camera so I can stretch my hand out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is all done, as you can see, and I guess I'll just wait for it to dry before I peel it off. Okay, it honestly hasn't been very long at all, but I'm very impatient and I just want to peel it off. Okay, so we're going to peel it off and see. Okay, not off to the best start, I don't think. Okay. Oh, okay. I think I think that is going to come out amazing. Oh wow, not too sure about the top one. Okay, but yes, oh my god, I'm loving it. It hasn't even like finished developing properly, because like henna, I believe, you know, you leave it on there for a while and it'll develop in due course. I will leave that to develop. I might add some more bits onto other fingers, I want to do a little bit on my thumb as well. Okay, so I did another one on my thumb, and then I got adventurous, and I didn't even use stencils, and I did dots. I mean, calm the fuck down, Romany. Calm down. How oh no, I've got some there. I don't want it there. So anyway, yes. This obviously takes a while to start developing, so you can see where some of it has come off and it's gone like an orangey colour. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that all of that will be dark. So all of this, the actual henna stuff kind of comes off. The orangey bit gets darker. I love it, and I would most definitely get a tattoo like this kind of style rather than these kind of. Yes, I would get something like this, most definitely. I love it. I frigging love it. I love it. Those stencils, pretty good. I think they are amazing. I got them off of Amazon probably about a year ago. I think it, or no, was it summer? It was either the summer just gone or maybe the summer before. Summer just gone, I do think, actually. So, yes. What do you think? Do you think I should get something more like this? This kind of style? Or is that not? I don't know. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me know what you think, and I will see you all for the next one. Bye!